Hello guys, welcome to our first Java tutorial. So today we'll be discussing on how to create a class. So to create a class, then we have to navigate to this page, source. So if your folder is closed, so you just have to open it, go to source. You can right click here and create a new class, but I have created different folders here, so I just right click, created a package here. So let's just right click and create a Java class. To create a Java class, you right click and go to new, then go to new Java class, then you call it HelloWorld. Let's call it HelloWorld. You can give it any name, HelloWorld. Then select class here, then you click enter. So let me just explain few things here. So first here we have the package and the package name. So this is the package keyword and this is the package name, because we are in our section 1 package, so we saw that this is called section 1. Here this is the access modifier, we call it an access modifier. So this is, like we named it here, public. Public means that it can be accessed by other classes. So for example, we have a class here called, let's call it app class. Then we'll click and enter. So when you see public here, it means that when we go to app and we type hello, you can see hello world from where? Section 1. So that means that it can be accessed from another Java class. So you see the class keyword. Class keyword, we use it whenever we want to create a class. So before the class name is specified by what? Class keyword. So we see our class name called HelloWorld. Now let's go to main method. So why do we use main method? Why is it that every Java application has a main method? The reason is because when we remove this main method now, we see that the run icon here disappeared, and when you click you can see nothing here. But when we return the main method, the run icon appeared, and when you right click you see the run here, run helloworld.main. So without the main method you cannot run a Java program. So the main method is needed to run every Java program. So as we carry on, I will be explaining all this, but let me just give you a little explanation here. This, as I've explained, is the access modifier. So the static keyword, we use it to declare a method. So if we declare any method as static, it means that that method is known as a static method. As we move on, I will explain more about that. So void means is a keyword, is a return type of the method. So it means that this method, this main method is returning nothing. Don't worry about it. I know that you might not get the full explanation now, but as we go on, we'll be using this void many times, so you get to understand it very well. This is the name of our method, which is main. So we have a string array here. So let us print out something. System, to print out something from Java, you use system.out.println, or you can use print also. So let's just use println. Then you put what you want to print out in double quote, hello world, because we want to print out a string. This is hello world. So let us run it. We can see that hello world is printed out. So whenever we want to print out anything, we use this system.out.println to print it out. If you want to print out a string like hello world, or I am learning Java, or today is day 1 of my learning, so you put it in a double quote. So we'll be explaining this later on. So thank you guys for joining. I really want to appreciate, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video, so we'll be dropping more on it. So thank you guys. Until next time, God bless you.